Happy holidays from the Napa Fire Department. From our family to yours, we want to provide you with a couple tips to keep you safe during this holiday season.
Fire prevention is keeping decorations or any other flammable items at least 3 feet away from an open flame and heat sources.
Inspect all decorations to ensure they do not have any frayed or pinched wires and discard any worn decorations.
Fire prevention is using lights with low wattage bulbs that are UL safety approved. LED lights are more energy efficient and last longer.
Fire prevention is ensuring multiple extension cords and power strips are never strung together or run under rugs, carpets, or furniture. Also, make sure those used for outdoors are labeled for outdoor use.
Fire prevention is never leaving cooking equipment unattended. Turn off all burners if you must leave the room.
Fire prevention is checking all smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors to ensure they are working.
Fire prevention is never leaving a space heater unattended and turning it off when you're leaving a room or going to sleep, and not letting pets or children play too close to a space heater.
Fire prevention is watering your tree daily and discarding trees when they are dry and begin dropping needles.
And just remember, folks, fire prevention is the gift that keeps on giving all year long.